Anika's next performance is a Varnam. The word Varnam means colorful, and indeed, this piece lives up to its name. A Varnam is the heart and soul of a Bharatanatyam recital, the most elaborate, demanding, and expressive item in the entire repertoire. It is where the dancer truly shines, bringing together intricate footwork, complex rhythmic patterns, graceful movements, and emotive storytelling, all in perfect harmony. This piece tests the dancer's stamina, precision, agility, and emotional depth. The choreography weaves through the rhythmic brilliance and expressive abhinaya, creating a dynamic interplay between nritta, pure dance, and nritya, expressive dance. Every beat, every gesture, and every glance carries meaning. A Varnam often lasts 30 minutes or more, consisting of multiple layers: the Pallavi, central theme, Anupallavi, its development, and the Charanams, verses, that explore and celebrate the theme in depth. Each segment challenges the dancer to transition seamlessly across melodies, rhythms, and moods, making it a tour de force of both physical and emotional storytelling. Anika's Varnam is a powerful tribute to the Divine Mother, Goddess Durga, titled Mate Malayadwaja. We have a Sargam Arangetram graduate, Sonali, on stage to showcase the story of Anika's Varnam through Bharatanatyam hand gestures. Anika will be using these hastas during her dance to communicate with the audience. The opening lines address the goddess as the daughter of King Malayadwaja, adorned in gem-studded bangles and radiant with the power of Maya, the divine cosmic illusion. She is Bhavani, the compassionate mother and fierce protector. The Pallavi includes a Sanchari Bhav, which describes the opening of Lord Shiva's third eye and its releasing of 6 sparks of pure energy and divine purpose. These sparks were carried and placed into the river Ganga, who gently cooled them and placed them in the sacred Saravana lake. There, the sparks became 6 radiant infants who merged into Lord Muruga. When Goddess Durga arrived, she embraced Murugan, the 6-faced god of wisdom and war, born of Shiva's fire and Durga's grace. In the Anupallavi, Durga's resplendence is highlighted. She is described as Satohari, Shankari, Chamundeshwari, graceful and luminous, adorned with the moon and glowing with celestial beauty. As the fierce slayer of demons and the consort of Shiva, she combines strength with compassion, offering loving protection to all who seek her. During the Anupallavi, there's another Sanchari Bhav that showcases all the efforts to release Durga from her maternal state and awaken the anger inside in order to slay the demon. This includes Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, giving all their powers to the goddess Durga. When her anger awakens, you will hear the iconic Sanskrit verses of Aigiri Nandini, a hymn that glorifies Goddess Durga in her most powerful and majestic form. It describes her as the mountain's daughter and the universe's joy. During this hymn, Anika portrays Durga's fierce battle with the buffalo demon Mahishasura, revealing the goddess's unstoppable strength and divine power. The Chitta Swara Swahitya has a beautiful shloka interweaved with a story. Here, Anika showcases the goddess as the one who bestows the blessing of beautiful arts. She bestows melody, svara, rhythm, laya, and lyrical beauty, gita. The Charanam explores the many facets of the goddess, her boundless strength, serene beauty, and deep compassion. She is described as the benevolent mother who is the empress of all worlds. She sits on her throne, resplendent with radiance. Through this Varnam, Anika invites us into the world of Devi, painting her divine form through movement, rhythm, and emotion. As you watch, let the vibrant expressions and storytelling transport you, and may the spirit of the goddess fill this space with her energy and blessings.
Rita ರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ದತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಕಿಣ್ಣ ದಕ್ಕ ನಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಕ್ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ರಕ್ಕುಂ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಕಿಣ್ಣ ದಕ್ಕ ನಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಕ್ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕುಂ ತದ್ರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ದತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಕಿಣ್ಣ ದಕ್ಕ ನಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಕ್ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕುಂ ತದ್ರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಕಿಣ್ಣ ದಕ್ಕ ನಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕ್ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕುಂ ತದ್ರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ದತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಕಿಣ್ಣ ತಕ್ಕ ನಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕ್ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕುಂ ತದ್ರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಕಿಣ್ಣ ತಕ್ಕ ನಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕ್ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕುಂ ತದ್ರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ದತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಕಿಣ್ಣ ತಕ್ಕ ನಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕ್ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕುಂ ತದ್ರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ತತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿ ತಾ ತಾ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತಕ್ ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತಾರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ತತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿ ತಾ ತಾ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತಕ್ ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತಾರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ತತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿ ತಾ ತಾ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತಕ್ ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕೆಳದಗ ತರಿಗಿಡದುಂ
ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಜಾತೆ ಮಾತಂಗ ವದನ ಗುಹ 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 ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಜಾತೆ
ತ್ರಿಗುಣ ದಲಾಂಗ್ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿನ್ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿನ್ ತಕ್ಕ ರಗದ ತದ್ದಿನ್ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿನ್ ತಕ್ಕ ತ್ರಿಗುಣ ತದ್ದಿನ್ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿನ್ ತಕ್ಕ ತ್ರಿಗುಣ ತ್ರಿಗುಣ ತ್ರಿಗುಣಂ ತಲಾಂಗ್ ತುಂ ಗಡಗಡಗಡಗಡಂ ನತ್ತ ರಿ ತದ್ರಿ ದತ್ತ ನ ತನ ದಜ್ಜನು ಜೊನು ದರಿತನ ಜೊನು ದಿಮಿ ದತ್ತ ರಿ ತರಿ ದತ್ತ ನ ತನ ದಜ್ಜನು ಜೊನು ದರಿತನ ಜೊನು ಜನು ತಕಿಟ ತಕಿಟ ತತ್ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಕಿಟ ತತ್ತರಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಕಿಟ ತತ್ತನ ತಕಿಟ ತಕಿಟ ತಜ್ಜನು ತಕಿಟ ತಕಿಟ ತತ್ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಕಿಟ ತತ್ತರಿ ತಕದಿಗು ತಕತನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತಕದಿಗು ತಕಜನು ತತ್ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕದಿಗು ತಕಜನು ತತ್ತರಿ ತಕದಿಗು ತದ್ದನ ತಕದಿಗು ತಜ್ಜನು ತಕದಿವಿ ತತ್ತರಿ ತದ್ದನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತಕಡದಗದರಿಗದು 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 ತಕಿಟ ತಕಿಟ ದಿತ್ತ ಕಡದಗದರಿಗದು ದಿತ್ತ ಕಡದಗದರಿಗದು ದಿತ್ತ ಕಡದಗದರಿಗದು ತಕಿಟ ತಕಿಟ ತದ್ದಿತ್ತ ಕಡದಗದರಿಗದು ತದ್ದಿತ್ತ ಕಡದಗದರಿಗದು ಕಡದಗದರಿಗದು ಕಡದಗದರಿಗದು
ಶಾತೋದರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾಧರಿ ತಾಯೇ ಗೌರಿ 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 ಶಾತೋದರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಶಾತೋದರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾಧರಿ ತಾಯೇ ಗೌರಿ ಐಗಿರಿ ನಂದಿನಿ ನಂದಿತ ಮೇದಿನಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ವಿನೋದಿನಿ ನಂದನುತೆ ಗಿರಿವರ ವಿಂಧ್ಯ ಶಿರೋಡಿನಿ ವಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ಜೇಷುನುತೆ ಭಗವತಿ ಹೇಸಿದಿ ಕಂಠ ಕುಟುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕುಟುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕೃತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಸುರವರವರ್ಷಿಣಿ ದುರ್ಧರದರ್ಶಿನಿ ದುರ್ಮುಖಮರ್ಷಿಣಿ ಹರ್ಷರತೆ ತ್ರಿಭುವನ ಪೋಷಿಣಿ ಶಂಕರ ಜೋಷಿಣಿ ಕಿಲ್ಬಿಷಮೋಷಿಣಿ ಘೋಷರತೆ ಧನುಜನ ರೋಷಿಣಿ ದಿಧಿಸುತ ರೋಷಿಣಿ ದುರ್ಮದ ಶೋಷಿಣಿ ಸಿಂಧುಸುತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ
ಧಿಂ ತತ್ತ ಧಿಂ ತತ್ತನ ಜನು ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ರಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಾ ತಾ ತಕ್ಕುಂತ ರಿಕ್ಕುಂತ ತಕ್ಕುಂತ ಧಿಂ ತತ್ತ ಧಿಂ ತತ್ತನ ಜನು ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ರಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಾ ತಾ ತಕ್ಕುಂತ ರಿಕ್ಕುಂತ ತಕ್ಕುಂತ ತಕ್ಕುಂತ ತಾ ರಿಕ್ಕುಂತ ತಾ ತಕ್ಕುಂತ ತಾ ರಿಕ್ಕುಂತ ತಾ ತಾ ತದಿ ತನ ಜೊನ್ನು ತಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕುಂತ ತಾ ರಿಕ್ಕುಂತ ತಾ ತಕ್ಕುಂತ ತಾ ರಿಕ್ಕುಂತ దరిత దన్నత జొన్నుత తంగడ దరిగడదుం తంగడ దరిగడదుం తంగడ దరిగడదుం దరిత దన్నత జొన్నుత తక్కడ దరిగడదుం తక్కడ దరిగడదుం తక్కడ దరిగడదుం
శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక 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 శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యకి మామ పని గమ పమగమ పమామ నిదమ సనిద పగమామ పని గమ పమగమ పమామ నిదమ సనిద పగ శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక నిదద నిదద పమ పాప నిద పమగ పమ నిదమ సనిద పమ నిద నిదద నిదద పమ పాప నిద పమగ పమ నిదమ సనిద పమ నిద శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక సనిదని సనిద మగమ పమమ సమగమ పసనిదని సనిదని సనిద పమగమ పమమ సమగమ పసనిదని నిదని పదని మపదని గమ పదని సమగమ పదని సమగని సనిద పద శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక మగమగని సమని గమ సని మని దగ నిగరి గద నిరి సగని పద సమగమ నిద నిద మగ శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక 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 శ్యామే సకల భువన సార్వభౌమే శశిమండల మధ్యక
देवता